Baby, when I tell you the girls have been waiting for me to do this video right Everyone wants to know what type of shampoo bar I've been using on my hair for the past 2 years. Look here, baby, I promise you, I was not trying to withhold this information. I was not trying to gatekeep this information. When I tell you guys, I've been having this footage in my phone for the past year. I just haven't had time to put all the footage together and do a voiceover and put this information out there. Let me stop playing with y'all. Y'all know damn well YouTube obviously is not cutting me a check, so I'm gonna get to it when I get to it, okay? And it just so happened that my storage was full on my phone, and I went back through some old videos, and I so happened to run into it. So let's get into it. Don't worry, I'm gonna go over each ingredient. So start off with a chopping board and cutting utensil. All the items that's in this video, you can either find it on Amazon or Whole Foods. I got my soaps off of Amazon, and I got my oils from Whole Foods. Please feel free to use whatever soaps you want to use, but these are the soaps that I used, okay? I used the goat milk, the honey, the olive oil, the shea butter, and the African black soap. All these soaps, once again, I got them off of Amazon. And as y'all can see, each soap has a label, and it also has the ingredients. I used a little less than half of all 4 soaps, and I cut them up into small pieces because I need to put this in a microwaver, okay? You can warm it up any way you want, but I decided to do it in a microwaver. That container right there came from the Dollar Tree, baby. Came from the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna put all the soap into this container, put it in the microwaver, and put that on about 5 minutes, okay? And in the meantime, I'm gonna grab this African black soap. I'm gonna cut a little piece of that, then chop that up into small pieces. I'm not gonna put the African black soap in the microwaver. We're not gonna do that, okay? I did that, and it didn't turn out well. While I'm cutting up the soap, I just want to let y'all know in advance. Please do not get in the comments asking where can you get everything from. I already told you, Amazon. No, I don't have any links. No, I do not. I just went on Amazon and I Googled different soaps, okay? The ones that I want to use, where to purchase them from. All the soaps that I'm using, trust me, I'm showing you the label. I'm showing you what kind I'm using. Just screenshot it. Screenshot it. Some of y'all want people to do all the work for you. You want to put a link in here. Where you got this? Look, hey. Google. This is a smartphone. Don't be a dumb person with a smartphone now, okay? Let's get back to the fucking video. So we were warming it up. So I pulled it out to check it to see if all the soap was melted, and it was not. So I put it back in for an additional like 2 or 3 minutes or so. Once it's all melted, take it out, and then you want to drop your African soap in. Do not put the African black soap inside the microwave. I'm telling you guys from experience, do not do it. Drop it in while it's hot, and then it's gonna dissolve itself, okay? You're still probably gonna have some clumps in, and I still like the little chunks, but I'm gonna show y'all at the end. But okay, just drop it in, stir it up. Now this is what it's gonna get that wrist work out you, okay? Because that African black soap, baby, it's the truth, and it does not melt easily. But you do not want to put it in the microwave. I'm telling you right now, do not. This is the easiest way to melt it down, because this is the real shit. This is not no knockoff African black soap. This is the real shit. I'm gonna continue to stir that up and get as much of that black African soap melted down as I can, okay? You're going to still see a couple of chunks, but it's okay. So after I get it all melted down to my liking, then I'm going to start using my powders. Now, these powders, once again, you can find all these powders on Amazon, okay? The powders that I'm going to be using, I promise you, each and every one of them has a different benefit for my hair. I'm using 1 tablespoon of each powder. 1 tablespoon. So the first powder that we'll be using is fenugreek. Fenugreek stimulates the blood circulation in your hair follicles to promote hair growth. I'm going to take a tablespoon of that, drop it right on inside of there. The next powder is called neem powder. The benefits of neem powder is removing dandruff and fungus while soothing an itchy scalp. The next powder that we'll be using is called Brin Rag. I might not be pronouncing that right, but y'all see the name, Google it. The benefits from Brin Rag is it rejuvenates damaged hair follicles and strengthens the roots of the hair. We're gonna use 1 tablespoon of the Brin Rag, add that to the concoction. The next powder that we'll be using is called Shikai Kai. I hope I pronounced it right. We're gonna use 1 tablespoon of Shikai Kai and put it into the concoction. One of the benefits of Shikai Kai is stripping the hair from all the oil buildup. So the next powder that we'll be using is Aretha. One of the benefits of Aretha is to remove oil, dirt, and dandruff from your scalp. We're gonna add 1 tablespoon of Aretha into our concoction. The next powder that we'll be using is Brahmi. Some of the benefits from Brahmi: it makes the hair thicker, boosts hair growth, eliminates dryness, reduce split ends. And now we're going to put 1 tablespoon of Brahmi into our concoction. The next powder that we'll be using is Amla powder. And some of the benefits of Amla powder: it helps to boost the blood circulation on your scalp. It strengthens your hair follicles. It makes your hair longer, thicker, and luscious. We're going to put 1 tablespoon of Amla powder into our concoction. That will be the last powder that we'll be using. I think we had a total of 6 powders we used. Let's see. I want to say it was 6 different powders. My apologies. It was 7 different powders. Those are all the different powders. We're about to move on to the different oils. Like I told you guys before, I picked up my oils from Whole Foods. When it comes to the oils, I did not measure. I apologize. I just kind of eyeball it, okay? I just kind of put as much as I need for my hair. Yeah, just drop it on in there, babe. It's your hair, your shampoo. Do it your way. Okay, I'm doing it my way. I'm just showing you what I use. Use as much as you want or as little as you want. Okay. Same thing with the black castor oil. I just eyeballed it. I didn't measure it, you guys. Put as much as you need or as little as you need. Okay. One of the benefits from the black castor oil is it strengthens your hair and it helps treat dandruff. And it's also a great moisturizer for your skin, your scalp, and your hair. All the essential oils, I also picked those up from Whole Foods, okay? And these are 100% essential oils. The first essential oil that we'll be using is tea tree, okay? And the benefits from tea tree oil is it makes your hair longer, thicker. It helps against dandruff. We're gonna use however many drops I put in there, okay? The next oil we'll be using is peppermint. One of the benefits of peppermint oil, outside of it smells great, is it increases blood flow to the scalp. The next oil we'll be using is spearmint. One of the benefits of spearmint oil, outside of it also smells great. It also helps with itchy and dryness in the scalp. It also helps improve your overall scalp health. Now that everything is placed into our shampoo concoction, we're gonna just make sure everything is thoroughly mixed together. Just thoroughly mix everything together. We're gonna place this shampoo mixture in these silicone soap trays that I got off of Amazon. I end up purchasing about 4 of these trays. Yeah, I purchased 4 of them because it equals up to about 16 bars of shampoo, or you can also use it to make soap. I did the soap mixture too. If you guys want to see how I make my soaps, you know what? Shit, it took me almost a year to put this video out. Don't even worry about it. Don't even worry about it. But let's get back to the shampoo. So as y'all can see, I am taking the big chunks and I'm placing them in first before pouring the mixture in. Okay, so I'm just taking big chunks and just putting them in, because once they fall out, it'll overflow the shampoo. See? So I want them to be already out and placed inside the silicone tray. So as I'm placing them in, I think I'm gonna do about 2 trays, maybe 1.5 to 2. Okay, see that big piece? Oof, y'all, I'm making a mess, but it's okay. It'll clean up easy. So after I get all these containers full with the shampoo mixture, I am gonna let that sit. I'm gonna let it sit probably overnight. It honestly don't take long. You can also place this in the refrigerator or the freezer. It'll harden up quicker. It'll probably be ready to use within 3 to 4 hours, give or take, if you place it in the refrigerator. But I just let them sit overnight and they were ready to use the next day. I did about 6 bars of the shampoo. Now each bar will last me at least, I could probably use, now that my hair is long, I was washing my hair with a half a bar, but now I'm washing my hair with a full bar. The last wash I did, I used 1 full bar on my hair. But I'm only washing my hair either once or twice out of each month. So that means I'm only using about 2 shampoo bars each month. So if I make 24 bars, that'll last me the whole year. And usually I do. I make enough in advance so I don't have to really make any more for about 6 months to a year. Right now I'm going back in and I'm filling each one of the soap bars up to the top. This is it. I did about 6.5 bars. This will at least last me about 3 months. I put it to the side, let it sit overnight. They've been sitting now for about 20 to 30 minutes. They're still a little warm, but they are not solid yet. I think for the purpose of this video, I didn't let them sit overnight. I think I just ran some errands and I came back in a couple of hours and I took them out. All the bars were not fully solid. Like, you'll see where a couple of them broke apart a little bit, but it's okay, they're still usable. Usually I'll let them sit overnight, but since I was trying to get the footage for this video, I ended up taking them out a little sooner, and I ended up breaking one. Was it that one? Yep, it was that one. But anyway, it's still usable because I'm still gonna use it, honey. That one too. But once I get them all out, I'll either wrap them individually in saran wrap, or as you guys are gonna see, I'm gonna place these particular bars inside of a Ziploc bag, and that is it, okay? After I place them inside the Ziploc bag, I'll put them wherever I place the rest of my hair products and have them ready to go. They'll be ready to go. Take one out of the bag, spritz my hair with water, and baby, it's the shampoo bar for me, okay? And that concludes this video. I'm so glad I finally got this video out, because baby, y'all thought I was trying to gatekeep this information. Y'all thought I did not want to share this information to y'all. Your girl just didn't have time, okay? But I'm glad that I got it out to you guys. You know what I always say? Better late than never, okay? Thank you guys for watching. And like always, if you liked this video and you found it helpful, give me a thumbs up. And if you didn't, don't say shit. Keep it pushing. Thank y'all for watching. Have a great day.